We're on the road again. We're headed up here on the Hurricane Sand Dunes, and it's about sundown, as you can see out there. Holy smokes. It's still 104 out here, and it is a warm son of a gun. But we're working our way in here, coming out to pick up a 2-seater Can-Am for good old Bill at Utah Off-Road Tours. So he's had a heck of a group out here today, and one of them did a little endo, so got a little hole punched in a radiator, I guess. So I'll take you along for the ride. All right, well, we're on the road again. Had to stop for just a few minutes and take in that sunset behind me. Man, we live in a beautiful place. Working our way in here, and if I told you we were working our way in here nice and easy, I'd be a liar. We're letting our hair down and getting in here tonight. It's usually about a 30-minute response time for me between getting the call and getting on the sand dunes, get these people gathered up. When it's warm like this, I like to move right out. I had to wait for the stinking camera crew again. Those guys were butt slow today. Had to kick all the Mountain Dew cans and all the Maverick containers of tater tots and chicken wings and on the road again food to keep us keep our girlish figure. So we got that all cleaned out and hit the road, and it's about 8:50, so we're just right on a 35-minute response time tonight. Like I said, it's 104 degrees. I think it's about a full moon. Should start coming creeping up over the hill here before long, either tonight or tomorrow night. But I see them. Here they are. Hey guys! You took a tumble, huh?
Yeah. So I don't know if a gasket came loose or what, but it was radiator fluid was running out of the side, and that's why you didn't run it.
It's probably just popped a hole in the radiator or something.
Oh,
They're from Cleveland, Boston, and Miami.
You don't know what 104 dry heat feels like, do you?
No,
I mean, I've been to Arizona and Vegas a lot, but never Utah.
I guess he.
ride it out. We made it back. We got over here and we have our reserved parking, it looks like, available. Do you guys remember where we always park the Can-Ams? Wrong with a Can-Am, but it's just a joke we got going on that we usually have a parking spot by the dumpster after they've been tipped on their lid. So that was a pretty good time. I ain't gonna tell on myself, but I actually lost that machine off the back of that trailer on a big old sand dune when one of the straps come off. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hey Billy, copy.
I got a copy.
I got this machine back to the shop, so you're good to go.
Awesome. Thank you. I can't believe it. We got a pretty good connection we're sitting at the falls right now.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, we had a little bit of adventure I'll have to tell you about, but everything's good to go. I'll just park it here in the back and you'll be set.
Awesome, Casey. Thank you, and I'll stop in and see you tomorrow, okay?
Sounds good. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Thank you.